Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web. In this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. So, first there was this, and then this, and now this. This is Mysterium, Secrets and Lies. Okay, here we have the box. I can't show you the whole thing unfortunately, but, well, not proper view anyway. But that's the cover of the box. It's a age range from 10 plus, 2 to 7 players, and it usually lasts about 42 minutes. Oh well. And we get, it's the first print of it, and this includes one exclusive promo card. So let's get into my table to get my knife of opening, and then let's turn this around and open it up. There we go. I'm not faffing about with this, everything's getting cut. So what does it say on the back? Well, I'm hoping you can read this, but it says, "Dearest Conrad, I have barely arrived home and yet here I am with pen in hand. I spent the whole journey back reading the cards to check that we were successful. The answers are vague, but always the same. It seems the ghost is not completely free to leave your manor. Something is still holding him prisoner. Maybe we didn't ask the right questions. Rather than focusing on the circumstances of the murder, perhaps we should learn more about the ghost, why he was killed. Conrad, stop me if I'm wrong. What can you make out through the mist in your crystal ball? Warm regards, Jesslyn." Shedding your light on the strange events leading up to the ghost's death in Secrets and Lies, the second expansion for Mysterium. Using the gifts, the psychic task is to lift the veil on these troubling events. Using 18 new story cards, the ghost can use 42 additional vision cards to assist the psychics as they investigate all new suspects, locations and objects. Step inside, your seat at the table awaits. Contents for this, we get 36 new psychic cards, and for the ghost it's 42 vision cards and 36 ghost cards. And there's also new story cards, so find out what could have led to the servant's demise from his perspective. So let's open up and take a look. And this, I assume, is the promo card. Yeah, that's it. That's the promo card. Da, da, da. And it says here, "My dear friend, your cards are not lying. Sadly, the servant's ghost is still manifesting. Upon receiving your letter, I have made some inquiries regarding his life and many grey areas surrounding this case. No two townsfolk give the same account of the poor man's demise. Blackmail, treason, love. Stranger still, numerous curious and suspicious events occurred shortly before the tragedy. We need to find some answers in order to free this tortured spirit from its chains. Would you mind returning to the manor in time for Samhain to help me solve this mystery with the help of our friends. Kindest regards." We have discovery at the Warwick estate. On the sunlit morning of Tuesday, November the 4th, the hounds of Baron Woodville's hunting party made a dreadful discovery. And blaze at the manor. Yesterday evening, a spectacular fire raged through the Warwick family's prestigious stables. No human casualties reported. The cause of the fire remains to be determined. Turn to page 8 for the full story. There isn't a page 8, but there is. The game components and setup. So we have the 42 vision cards, 6 psychic cards, 6 ghost cards for the characters, 6 psychic cards and 6 ghost cards for the location, 6 psychic cards and 6 ghost cards for the object, and 18 psychic cards and 18 ghost cards for the story card. which is one of these. Da-da-da. So, shuffle the Secret Sunrise character. Excuse me. You shuffle the Secret Sunrise character objection and object psychic cards together with the character location object psychic cards from the base game and or from hidden signs. And then you can add the Secret Sunrise character location object ghost cards to the character location object ghost cards from the base game and or hidden signs. Story cards are an alternative to object cards. During setup, choose to play with object cards or story cards. If you play with object cards, you can return the story cards to the box and you play as normal. If you play with the story cards, return the object cards to the box. They will not be used during the game. Draw the number of character location story cards as indicated in the base game rules. Play the game according to the entire base game rules. So there we are. That's it. So that's your new header for the story cards. Now, as you know, with these they're all labelled, and these are labelled SL numbers. So let's open these up and have a look. What new weapons do we have? Well, we have a piece of slate. I can't remember what, it's like a hole, but I can't remember what, it's not a hole, I can't remember what it's called. It may be a hole, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's called something different. A walking cane, a mirror, a cushion or a pillow, and whatever that may be. There we are. They are the new weapon cards. And then we have the big and little cards. Let's just select these open. So we have the new characters, or the new suspects rather. There we go. So the new suspects, and these are the new locations. There we go. Okay, so they're new locations. No difference. These are the new story cards. So this tells you how the murder happened. Or some such. There we go. So they're the big cards, and I'll put them back in there. Along with that, put them there as well. And I'll put these small cards down here. There we go. So I'll put them on top of there. And now I'll open these ones. And I know that's just sent a shiver through certain people's spines, because I know people don't like me doing that. And you get the same again with the characters. Only these are the smaller versions that are used for the ghost. and then you get the locations for the ghost panel ghost panel, and then you get the murder weapons, which you've seen before, and then you get the story cards again, which you've seen before. I'm not going through them all in great detail, you've already had a look. There we go. I'm not forgetting the promo card, I'll put that in there as well. I'll move them over to there, and I've moved them completely. I took them out of the box and put them somewhere else. There we are. So these are the ghost cards, or the Dixit cards as I like to call them. There we go. Some really nice artwork as usual with this game. I like that one. So you've got lots more cards to use to give clues out. Oh, that's a bit. There we go. I like that one. So that is it for the opening of this box. I hope you've enjoyed this little look into the expansion, the new expansion of Mysterium, or the latest expansion for Mysterium. Hopefully we'll get to have a game with this at some point fairly soon, because as you know, I like Mysterium. But as I say, that's it for this video. Everything's nicely packed away. I hope you've enjoyed it. But until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.